Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Yes, sir. Yes, it is, Black Mike. Yes, it is. It really is, bro. You doing anything for my morning? That sounds good. Get these eggs on here. I got you, boy. Hey, Mike, I got you too. I'm gonna scramble these. I like mine scrambled, man. With all this goop and junk in it. Yes, sir. This is how I like mine. Get all that. Get all that. That's flavor. That's what you call a nasty egg. That's a nasty egg right there. Yes, sir. Nasty egg. Who eat nasty eggs? That's cast iron cooking right there, boy. Nasty egg. You had one of those other pots, you wouldn't have to worry about all that right there, but that's flavor from the bacon and the ham. Now I had to toast my bun in the skillet too, man. Shoot. Got my bacon down now. Oh! indeed. Memorial Day. These eggs will be finished here in a little bit. We're gonna cut the heat off right now. Let her finish. Oh yeah.
I don't know how many of you guys like cooking your eggs in bacon dripping, ham drippings, or whatever the case may be, but this is definitely what I call nasty eggs. All right, and trust and believe me, your eggs will be packed up with full of flavor and everything else like that. As you can see, these sandwiches was definitely a hit. They was delicious and everything else. So how many of you guys like cooking your eggs in bacon dripping and ham dripping and whatever the case may be in an iron skillet? Thank you so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Please subscribe to my channel. All right, hit that red subscribe button along with that notification bell so you'll be notified of up and coming videos. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This is your boy Ray Mack. Love and not hate. Peace. Love somebody and hate nobody.